Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Today I'm with two internship updates. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more updates related to internships and jobs. So starting with the first one, Intel Corporation is offering software intern role in Bangalore, and the minimum qualifications is that BTech, BME, MTech degree. Okay, so link will be in the description. You can apply. And the second internship update is from Instamojo for software engineer intern, and the batch maybe 2021 to 22 23 can apply. You can apply directly or by this form link. You have to fill few details. Okay, so both the link will be in the description. And please do follow our LinkedIn page for more updates. I post regularly related to internships and jobs. Go and follow. Share this video with your juniors. Thank you. Bye.